Have you ever tried Facebook ads for your restaurant? Well, a lot of restaurant owners have trouble seeing results they actually like using Facebook ads. So, we're going to talk about why Facebook ads don't work for restaurants. The first thing is setting goals and being consistent. Most restaurant owners don't set goals, and therefore their posts on social media and their Facebook ads are inconsistent and don't have a plan to get through to those goals. The second thing is you're not collecting your customers' information. Let's say you pay to run an ad and you spend $100. Every one of those people saw your ad or interacted with your ad, but there's nothing that has connected you with those people where you can reach out to them again. You're spending money every time you run an ad to them. That's a big waste of money. So we recommend building your customer list, like an email list or subscriber list, and that will help you get the most bang for your buck. Thirdly, there's too much text in your ad. Facebook actually makes your cost per reach, how many people you reach, they make your cost higher when you have too much text on your image on your ad. So make sure that there's not text or very little text, small text on your Facebook ads. The fourth thing is you don't have a proven plan. Sporadic posts on social media will get you nowhere. Having a proven plan in place with a strategic way of doing things will help you get better results on Facebook. Number 5, your targeting is off. Make sure you don't get too specific. If you're a local restaurant, you have a small radius around you that you need to advertise to. A lot of times restaurant owners will see that there's more options to target people based on their interests, like people that like barbecue. Unless you're in a really big city like New York City, there might not be enough people, so your targeting might be off, and there may not be enough people in your area. And 6, your budget is too small. We recommend that Facebook advertising, use $5 to $10 per day, $20 per day if you can do it. Anyone that uses less than $5 a day is really not going to get much traction at all. So we really recommend at least $5, preferably 10 or more per day. And lastly, number 7, you're not responding to comments. You need to respond to comments on your posts. It shows people that you're professional, that you care about doing business with them, and you're willing to answer their questions. We hope you found this video helpful, and we hope you understand now why Facebook ads don't work for restaurants and how you can change what you're doing and make them work a little bit better for you. That's it for today. Thanks for checking out our video. Make sure you like and share this video with your other restaurant owner friends, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.